We are having a look at the Comfier Swift Cordless Electric Spin Mop. This mop has mop pads and scrub pads so that you can either scrub or mop. The nice thing about this mop is that with the spinning pad you don't have to go back and forth nearly as much as you do with a normal mop. It actually feels a lot more like you're vacuuming or something like that. I really like the ability that this has as well to spray water. What this allows is you can get just the right amount of water that you need. So if you need more water to get something that's really kind of caked on there, you can spray extra water and go over multiple times. And it works really well for that without having to do too much water for places that don't need very much water. The mop is really easy to use. The pads just velcro on and then you just pour water into the mop and you are ready to go. The mop runs off a rechargeable battery, so you don't have to worry about cords getting in the way or anything like that. And the mop really didn't require any assembly other than just kind of snapping together a few parts. I found that the scrub pads were able to help me get some of my floors with really caked on grime a lot cleaner than they've been in a very long time. So I was able to use some Barkeeper's Friend and I was just able to keep on going over it until it was actually really quite clean. When you're done mopping with the pads, you can just throw the pads in the wash, really nice and easy. One thing I will note is Comfier did send me this mop for a review. They didn't, however, give me any direction on what to say. I will say overall, I really like the mop. My two favorite aspects of this mop are the ability to control and spray water out of the mop, and I also really like the scrub pads. It really helps for doing some extra deep cleaning without having to get on the floor with a scrub brush and just keep on scrubbing. It makes things like that just a whole lot easier. I've got a link posted below in the description so you can check it out for yourself. Okay, thanks. Can you put the mop up now? Uh-huh. Go put the mop up. Push it up and hold it. Now turn on the mop.
How do you turn on the mop?
Push the button on top.
This button?
Yeah, press it. Yeah, it spins, huh? Okay, do you want to push it? Okay, do you want to squirt water?
Uh-huh. Water.
Yeah, squirt water. Press the other button. Good job, that's good. Okay, now mop.